Welcome to the Spalding Spelling Boom Cards. These cards will help you show your understanding of Spalding spelling rules. When you first click on the card, you will hear the word being spoken. If you need it repeated, you can click on this icon here, and there will be a prompt that will read it to you. Over here, you will see your keyboard and all of the different letters for Spalding spelling. Q-U is different than U, so be careful if you are using those for your spelling. Down here, you will find a prompt that explains how to record your spelling. You will see a button here that allows you to record your voice so that your teacher can hear you as you spell. The numbers here, 2, 3, 4, and 5, are draggable, and you can move them to show the second, third, and fourth sounds of some of the word rules. On this side, you will be able to drag underlines where you need the multi-letter phonograms. Each line will allow you to drag and drop it, and it will click if it is in the right spot. Here, if you have a silent final E rule, you will be able to click that in the box by typing a number. And here is where you will be allowed to actually use your keyboard to type the word and then click Submit. If you don't understand or you need support, you can click Give Up, or you can skip and go to another card. Let's look at this one for an example. Okay, let's listen to the word a second time. Day. D, A, Y. If I click on the wrong letter, I will get a buzzer sound. So I know it is not correct. Click on the recorder button and say the letters in order to spell the word. Now I have a chance to spell the word and record my voice. I click on the recorder button, click Start, D-A-Y. Click Stop. And now it has recorded my voice saying the correct spelling. D-A-Y. Let's say that I accidentally spell the word with a letter I didn't mean to. D-E-Y. All I have to do is use my backspace and I can start over. D-A-Y. Now I need to ask myself, are there any multi-letter phonograms or silent final E's? There is a multi-letter phonogram. So I will drag this down underneath the A-Y. A, the 2-letter, comes at the end of a word. Do I have any other markings that I need? There's no silent final E, and AYA only makes that sound. I click submit. What did I do wrong? DAY? I'm not sure. Let's look. Silent final E, I don't need. Oh, there is a rule. A rule that goes with AY. That rule is what number? The rule is number 18. We often use AY, the two-letter A, to say long A at the end of a base word, never A alone. Click submit, and I am finished. So now, if I didn't find the correct answers, I could click give up, and it would show me all of the different things that I am missing. If you want to try again, you can go back by hitting skip. Your teacher will be able to see all of your answers, so do your very best work. Happy spelling!